So last but not least, we have our final Singapore startup pitch for today's session by Flexxon, who is represented by founder and CEO, Ms. Camelia Chan. Camelia, the floor is yours, please.
Thank you, Adeline. Hi, everyone. I'm Camelia, the CEO and founder of Flexxon. Today, I'll be sharing with you how AI cybersecurity deploy and embedded into the storage devices and provide the most robust protection to your variable data so that every digital citizen that can progress their digitalization journey confidently. So have you ever wondered why major organizations like Acer, JBS, Colonial Pipeline are still the victims of ransomware, even when they have a full cybersecurity infrastructure and policy in place? No matter how an organization emphasizes about cyber hygiene, especially during their work from home situation, employees often neglect the cyber hygiene as this is not their top priority. Therefore, regardless how holistic your cyber defenses is, 95% of the cyber breaches is actually contributed by human error. Moreover, the hackers are evolving their business model to ransomware as a service. This is why every 11 seconds, a new organization becomes the victims. So hence, it is crucial to have our X-PHY AI augmented SSD innovation with a zero trust framework that can eliminate the needs for human interventions and fence off the zero-day exploit. It can also provide the physical protection against threats like stealing of the drive or even side channel attack. So existing software-based security only protect the 6 of the 7 OSI layer and always neglect the physical layer. However, look at the current cyber climate has actually expanded in this ever-changing environment. With the advent of new digital technologies, the challenges in software security are becoming so obvious. So by leveraging the additional layer of physical protection, it can immediately boost the accuracy in defending against the evolving threats. Our X-PHY solution places the security at the physical layer and acts as the last line of defense when everything else fails. Traditional cybersecurity solutions solely rely on software security, but our X-PHY SSD has an embedded AI module monitoring all the read, writes, access pattern to the drive and identify if this is a harmful patterns. So once any threat is found, the entire drive will lock down to protect your data. So it's actually act like an intelligent vault with the zero trust policy. We don't look at the bad actors, but we look at the bad behavior within a lockdown environment. So let me further elaborate. We monitor 2 commands, read, write from the host to the SSD within the NVMe protocol. And then we study the attributes over a period of time and apply this fast Fourier transformation to convert the time to frequency. The frequencies of the application might look very similar as shown in the middle graph, but the power spectrum at the bottom graph show a very obvious difference between each of the application. And we train the AI to be able to identify the similar patterns of ransomware threats. The market cyber security solutions are typically signature-based or behavioral-based software defenses, whereas our X-PHY is able to protect against zero-day exploit, provide 100% capture rate with less than 1% of the false positive, prevent against the physical attack on the drive. We have received various awards and recognition with 4 patents granted locally and overseas. So what is our adoption plan? We actually identify 3 major markets to address. First, government agencies like CSA Singapore are deploying our solution into the national project. And same model will roll out to cybersecurity agencies of other countries. Second, the ICT partners like Lenovo are collaborating with us to integrate the X-PHY solution into their laptops and serve the mass market, where each server to support the enterprise IoT. And third, we are going to leverage on our existing extensive OT customers base who are adopting our solution into their application. With over 50 business partners and renowned global distributor, we are able to outreach to digital citizens worldwide to fight against the cyber pandemic. Multiple media shown interest in our world-first solution. We have been featured in a vast group of multimedia, both locally and overseas. Moving forward, we will be building a holistic cyber defense ecosystem and offer cybersecurity as a service by placing service as a core and product as a context. So government organization can govern their security via our management console that integrate with software and platform-based defense approach for a total visibility and automated response around the clock. The security market is projected to reach 418 billion in 2028, and X-PHY aims to become the de facto standard in the endpoint security. We aim to go IPO in 5 years and become the unicorn in the cybersecurity market with X-PHY. To conclude, X-PHY will be the last line of defense for every digital citizen. Thank you. Please kindly get in touch with us if you are interested to know more.
Yes, thank you very much, Camelia, for the very comprehensive presentation. Definitely something that is very relevant given how our world is becoming more digital today. And as Camelia mentioned, if anyone from our audience is interested to learn more about Flexxon or get in touch, please indicate your interest in the poll that is on the right side of your screen. And also, please keep your questions coming in for Camelia. And I think we have a first question for you, Camelia. What sort of collaboration are you looking out for? Are you mainly looking out for customers, or are you also interested to find co-innovation partners?
Okay, basically we aim for three types of the partners. As our storage have to work with the system product, so we are looking for the hardware partners to incorporate our storage into the system, like for example, Lenovo, Dell, HP. And the other one is we are also looking for those IT and cybersecurity service provider to work together to serve the customers. And the third one, we are engaging with the global distributor to be able to work on the fulfillment side. But last but not least, we also, we are right now roll out our Series B. So if any investor, they will be interested with this new technology and grow our company together, please feel free to be in touch with me.
That's good to know. Thank you very much, Camelia. And one more short question for you. Is your business model only B2B, or do you also target B2C?
Okay, as what I have explained earlier, we have been used to focus on the B2B, on the operational technology device manufacturing company. But moving forward, we are going to also target on the CIT, where CIT, the information technologies, it will involve B2C customers as well. As for B2C customers, we have to collaborate with the global distributor like Ingram Micro, Tech Data, those type of the global distributor.
Great. Thank you very much, Camelia. And thank you very much once again for your very comprehensive presentation and also for addressing the queries of our audience.
Thank you, Adeline.